Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can claim the Yes Summer Mystery Reward on your Yescoin mining app. It's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on where the arrow is pointing. You can see where those logos of different exchanges is popping. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it has popped up. So let me tap on it now. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to claim the Yes Summer Mystery Reward. What you have to do now is to scroll down. Before I scroll down, you can see what's written there at the top. Yes Skin. Yes Skins are here. Get and collect unique Yes Skins and receive mystery rewards. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can claim the mystery reward. So let me scroll down now. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Yes Summer. Yescoin 6 Swiss Summer Carnival Skins. So guys, for you now to be able to participate or claim this Yes Summer Mystery Reward, you must first of all make sure that you've collected all these skins. Make sure you collect OKS skin, BitGet skin, Bing X skin, Hashkey skin, and Bybit skin, and finally the Binance skin. There are 6 of them, so you have to make sure you collect all the skins of these exchanges for you to be able to claim this mystery reward. As you can see there, I've already collected them. I've done all the tasks. In case you've not done them, you're going to see where it's written get. Just tap on get. They'll be able to do the tasks and claim the year skins. So guys, now you can see I've gotten all of them, and as you can see, I selected Bybit as my skin. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll down now to collect or claim the mystery reward. So let me go down now. Let me scroll down. So guys, now you can see what's written down there. Collect all year summer skin to get mystery reward, and I've gotten that like I said. Now you can see the claim button is now visible. The claim button, you can see it right there on the right hand side. So what I'm going to simply do is to tap on claim to claim the mystery reward. We're going to see what the mystery reward is about. Maybe they're going to be giving us some coins, maybe in millions. So let's check what the reward is going to be. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on claim. So let me tap on it right away. Wow guys, you can see this is the mystery reward, 1 million yes coin. You can see it right there. So guys, now this I can be able to claim the Yes Summer mystery reward, and I believe you got value from this. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. See you on the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.